2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 Mr. Oopy. Let's have fun and be silly. We're gonna learn and be happy. Having fun with Mr. Oopy.
Hey kids, it's Mr. Oopy, and I'm feeling very creative today. And we're going to be making sticky, gooey slime. We're going to be making butter slime, fluffy slime, and glow-in-the-dark slime. Okay, let's go. Yay! Let's look at all the things we need. We have our bowl. We have our spatula so we can do some stirring. We have our little container that has Activator in it, also known as Borax. But you may want to ask Mummy and Daddy about Borax. What else do we need? We have our measuring cup, our three favourite colours of mine. We have red, we have green, and we have blue. We have our glue, which we need. We have some shaving cream, and we have our glow-in-the-dark glue. And we're ready to make sticky, gooey slime. Our first slime is going to be fluffy slime. So we need our Activator, our food colouring. We're going to be using red today. Our shaving cream and glue. Okay, let's get started. We need our clear glue, and we're going to be pouring this in our measuring cup, and we'll just pour it to 1/4 of a cup or 2 ounces. Here we go. Excellent. Okay, now put the lid back on the container. Oopsie poopsie. Okay, we're going to pour this in our bowl, tap it, or scrape it out like this. Great. Excellent. Now we need some shaving cream. Give it a bit of a shake. And we're going to pour it in the bowl. And you can pour as much as you want. So let's give this a swirl. Say stop. Still going? Shall we stop yet? Okay, well done. So we have our glue and our shaving cream. Now it's time to mix. Ooh, it is getting messy. Here we go. Give it a good mix, like so. Okay, we are done mixing. Now we're going to put our food colouring in there. I'm choosing red. So just 2 drops will be plenty. Oh, that looked like more than 2 drops, but that will do. Let's go back to mixing. Oh, as you can see, it's turning pink. I like this colour. What's your favourite colour? Is it blue, red, yellow, pink? They're all great colours. Okay, we're done with that. Let's have a look. It's turning pink. Now it's time to put our Activator in. Just a couple of squirts to start with. Whoop, whoop. Nice. Okay, now it's time to mix. Like this. As you can see, it's quite sticky and we need to get all those clumps out. So we're going to do a bit of kneading like this. Okay, I've just made some fluffy slime. Let's have a look how it turned out. Wow, look at this fluffy slime. Look how let's make our glow-in-the-dark slime. I've already made some just to show you. Look at how stretchy this is. Wow. This is our glow-in-the-dark slime. Wow. Okay, we've got our glow-in-the-dark glue and our activator. So, this one says 147 mils or 5 ounces. We're going to put the whole lot in the bowl. Nice. Okay, we need our activator, just a couple of squirts, and let's start mixing till it combines. Whew, we're going to add a little bit more activator. That's it, just a little. Oh, that elbow's getting a workout. Now it's time to knead the glue. And it's very gluey and gooey and slimy. And just squish. And if it's still very sticky, we just need a bit more activator. Oh, look at that. Would you like that in your face? A little bit more. That's it. Okay. And the activator helps combine the slime. We are getting closer. Let's have a look if it stretches. It's stretchy. Good, it's working. I think this is ready now. It's time to see this in the dark and let's see if this really glows. Wow, it really does glow in the dark. We're back. We're going to be making butter slime. Okay, what do we need? Our activator, our glue, bit of shaving cream, cha-cha-cha. And we have our air clay. Now, I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description below so you know where to find them. All right, we're going to add 1/4 cup of our clear glue. Here we go. And we're going to pour that in the bowl, like so. Or you can scrape it out. Lovely. There we are. Excellent. Now, a bit of our shaving cream. And tell me when to stop. Stop. Well done. Put that away. And now we need some of our activator. Just a few squirts. 1, 2. Now we're going to mix. Then we're going to add our air clay. So let's give this a mix. I think we need a bit more activator. Just 1 squirt. Like that. Good. Keep. Oh, I can feel it getting really sticky. Now it's time to knead our slime. Like this. Give it a squish. That's looking really good, Mr. Oopy. And now it's time to put our air clay. That's also very stretchy. Woo! Let's add, oh, it's over my hands. Add that with our slime to create, what was it? Butter slime. All right, let's give this a good squish. I can put a twist in this. Whew, that's it. We've just made butter slime. Look, you can even roll it like this and stretch. Look at that. We can even twirl it around. Hey, have you seen my glow-in-the-dark slime? Oh! Well, that's a slimy wrap. We made our fluffy slime, our glow-in-the-dark slime and our butter slime. Until next time, bye for Slimy Now. Bye. Oh, and I will have the ingredients in the description below. Bye. Hey kids, thanks for watching. And if you would like to stick around, I'm going to show you all the fun things we did today in a video with a short song by Mr. Oopy. Bye.
Let's all make some slime. Squishing, popping, it's fun time. Let's all get out glue. Adding colors, I like blue. Let's all make some shapes. Circles, triangles, I can't wait. Now we're ready, it's time. Let's all make some sticky, slimy, gooey slime. Sticky, gooey, slimy. Sticky, gooey, slimy. Ooh-wee. Sticky, gooey, slimy.
Hey kids, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you would like to see more, hit the like button, the subscribe button and the little bell. Or you could just type MrOopy.com. Bye for now.